What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West Teachers Salary Loan. Pag-uusapan natin guys, yung salary loan for teachers na ino-offer ni East-West. Pag-uusapan natin kung magkano nga ba yung pwede yung mas-salary loan at the same time kung gaano nyo siya katagal pwedeng bayaran. Pag-uusapan natin yung interest rates and of course yung application process, kung saan kayo mag-a-avail, and then yung pre-termination fee. Kasi yung pre-termination fee na sinasabi, like for example, gusto mo nang bayaran ng buo yung personal loan ninyo or yung sinalary loan ninyo sa East-West, pwede naman. Pag-uusapan natin kung magkano yung magiging pre-termination fee. At the same time, yung eligibility, kung ikaw ba ay eligible na, and of course, yung application requirements. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, East-West Rural Bank offers teachers salary loans for permanent DepEd teachers. So as you can see guys, permanent. So, meaning, regular teachers kayo employed ni DepEd or Department of Education. Allowing them to borrow up to 1 million pesos with flexible repayment terms from 12 to 60 months. So, as you can see guys, allowing them to borrow up to 1 million. So, meaning, magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong ma-loan sa East-West Teachers Salary Loan? Up to 1 million siya guys. So, meaning, yun yung pinakamalaking pwede nyong ma-loan. But take note lang guys, para lang ito sa mga approved or eligible teachers. What I mean is, kailangan nyo muna mag-start sa mababang personal loan. Tapos, or salary loan. Tapos, lalaki yun kasi nababayaran nyo naman, makakapag-loan kayo, tapos nabayaran nyo ng maayos. Tapos, yun, i-offeran kayo ng mas mataas at mas malaking personal loan na i-offer ni East-West. So, gaano siya katagal pwedeng bayaran? 12 months to 60 months. Ibig sabihin, up to 5 years. Kasi 60 months siya, so divided by 12, so 5. Kasi yung bawat taon is 12 months siya. Share ko lang. Applications are processed through Como by East-West. Siguro familiar naman kayo guys sa Como, no? It is managed by East-West to provide a digital, fast, and often no-call maker service to qualified DepEd personnel. Kasi lahat ng transactions, guys, is via digital na lang siya. It is being processed by Como by East-West. Then yung key loan features. Loan amount is up to 1 million pesos subject to approved credit. So, ibig sabihin, yung loan amount tulad ng sabi ko kanina is up to 1 million siya. Then yung terms is 12 to 60 months, 1 to 5 years as you can see. Then yung interest rates is competitive rates as low as 7.50% per annum. Terms apply. So magkano nga ba yung interest rates guys sa East-West Salary Loan for Teachers? It is 7.50% per annum. So per annum siya guys, ibig sabihin sa loob ng isang taon, yung magiging interest rate niya is 7.50%. So i-divide mo ngayon sa 7.50% by 12. So yun yung magiging monthly add-on rate or monthly interest rate for East-West Salary Loan for Teachers. Eligibility. Must be a permanent teacher under DepEd National Plantilla. So, of course, yung required niya is yung mga permanent teachers under DepEd. So, meaning, yung mga regular employee ni DepEd. Process. Digital application via Como app or East-West Rural Bank branches. So, as you can see, yung process niya is digital application via Como app or East-West Rural Bank. Kailangan nyo mag-sign up sa Como application, guys, by East-West kasi dun yung process lahat. Then yung key requirements, 1 month latest payslip. Of course, kailangan yung proof of income since you are a teacher. So, dapat may payslip kayo. Required yan kapag balak nyo mag-salary loan sa East-West. Photocopy of 2 valid government-issued IDs. Of course, yung mga ID na yan, hindi yan mawawala. 2 valid government-issued IDs siya, guys. Photocopy of permanent appointment letter or service records. So, yung photocopy permanent appointment letter, kailangan din siya. Important notes. Only 1 active teacher's salary loan is allowed at a time. So as you can see guys, isang active salary loan lang yung available. Hindi pwede yung may binabayaran ka pang salary loan sa East-West, tapos mag-file ka ulit, hindi pwede yon. Kailangan tapusin nyo muna yon bago pa kayo mag-renew or mag-file ulit ng salary loan sa East-West. Reloaning is possible and the process is simplified via Como application. So pwede kayo mag-renew guys, tapos yung process na lang niya is mas mabilis na using Como application. Pre-termination. Pre-termination of the loan is permitted, but a fee applies 8% of the outstanding balance. So ito na yung sinasabi ko guys kanina. Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng pre-termination? Like for example, nag-loan kayo ng 500,000 or $500,000 sa East-West, nag-personal loan kayo or nag-salary loan. Ngayon, gusto nyo nang bayaran yon, gusto nyo matapos since may pera na kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng maraming pera bigla. So, kung magkano yung principal amount, 8% yung magiging pre-termination fee niya. Ngayon, ang dapat nyo gawin is tawagan nyo yung East-West, sabihin nyo na gusto nyo bayaran ng buo, yung salary loan ninyo, tapos tanungin mo kung magkano yung principal amount. Tapos, yung principal amount na yon is papatungan ng 8%, yun yung magiging kailangan yung bayaran lahat. Yung principal amount plus yung 8% ng kung magkano yung principal amount. Ito total yon. Tapos kung magkano yung result, yun yung magiging final pay or final payment ninyo sa East-West salary loan. So yun, take note lang guys na salary loan ito, ingatan niyo yung pangalan nyo sa East-West kasi kapag nagka-problema kayo sa pagbabayad, hindi nyo nabayaran ng maayos, nagkaroon ng lapses, ma-hurt or masira yung credit records ninyo. At mahihirapan na kayo ma-approve for future loans. So mahihirapan na kayo makapag-access sa mga financial needs ninyo. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo. Ingatan ninyo yung pangalan ninyo kapag nag-file kayo ng personal loan, siguraduhin nyo lang nakakayanin yung bayaran yung monthly amortization. Kasi pag nagka-loko-loko yan, magka-problema, hindi nyo nabayaran ng maayos, may penalties yan, tuloy-tuloy yan, hanggang sa malubog kayo na malubog, at mahihirapan na kayong bumangon. Kaya naman guys, be aware sa ipa-file ninyong salary loan sa East-West para hindi nasisira yung pangalan ninyo. So, sa nakikita nyo kasi guys, may loan amount siya na up to 1 million. Kaya naman, malaking pera to, subject to approved credit. Then, yung terms nyo guys is 12 to 60 months, 1 to 5 years, kumbaga. Yung interest rates is 7.50% per annum. As you can see, maliit lang yung magiging monthly add-on rate niyan. But given na 1 million siya, sa 5 years na babayaran or 5 years to pay, malaki-laki yung magiging monthly payments niyan. Kasi nakadepende siya kung gaano katagal ninyo babayaran. So, mas maliit na monthly amortization yon kapag mas matagal ninyo gusto bayaran. Pero kung gusto nyo mas maiksi, like for example, 12 months lang, so mas malaki talaga yung magiging monthly payments niya sa 1 million pesos if ever na-approve kayo for 1 million credit limit. Kaya naman be aware kayo guys if kakayanin nyo ba talagang bayaran yung magiging monthly amortizations kung 12 months nyo lang gusto bayaran. So dapat sinasaalang-alang nyo yan before kayo mag-file ng East-West Teachers Salary Loan. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Cake, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!